Summarize status according to data within group. The patient table stores the treatment date and type for each patient, with the treatment type being surgery or visit. Now we need to calculate whether each patient has visited, and whether they have visited within 6 months after surgery. Patient 1 only has one surgery treatment record, with both YES visit and YES surgery visit set to 0. Patient 2 received visit treatment with YES visit set to 1, but it occurred after 6 months of surgery treatment, so YES surgery visit remains at 0. In the 2 records of patient 3, there was a visit treatment that occurred within 6 months of surgery treatment, and both YES visit and YES surgery visit were set to 1. Patients 4 received visit treatment but no surgery treatment, with YES visit set to 1 and an YES surgery visit set to 0. SQL does not support independent grouping operations, making it difficult to summarize states that require complex operations on grouping subsets. In SPL, after obtaining subsets through independent grouping operations, more complex aggregation operations can be performed on the grouped subsets. A1 uses the query function to load patient table from the database. A2 first use the group function to group by ID. Then, for each grouped subset, calculate using the new function. Calculate YES visit and YES surgery visit. When calculating YES visit, multiple statements can be defined within the parentheses, which will return the value of the last statement. The first statement defines a temporary variable s to record whether there are visits within 6 months after surgery. Finally, assign s to YES surgery visit. The first YEFU function determines whether it is a visit type treatment. The second YEFU function determines whether the previous record is a surgery within 6 months. Using square brackets can obtain the field values of other rows. Here, treatment bracket -1 is the previous row treatment value, and day bracket -1 is the previous row day value. For another example, day bracket 2 is the day value in the second row afterwards. The interval function can calculate the interval between 2 days, with the @m option indicating the number of months between them. After determining whether each row of the grouped subset is a visit, and then use the max function to aggregate the results of multiple rows into a single value. SPL has more examples of this kind. Welcome to like and follow.